But I think what you might be leading into is the 35-year-old that is not menopausal, has not had any of those
Right.
issues. We get those phone calls day in and day out, so
Right.
Angie can kind of tell you what she hears and what we hear, because they're just like men. They're so underserved. They don't have anyone to go to. They don't have a good outlet or resource, even
Right.
whether it be a forum or online either. But they're no different than men. No sexual desire, no libido, weight gain, fatigue, and the list goes on. I mean, they will tell you I'm mean. I my family doesn't want to be around me. I know I've got issues, but I don't know
Right.
what they are. My family doctor tells me
Right.
that nothing wrong. Here's your antidepressant, and
Here's your
so let Angie
sleeping
tell you
pill.
some
Right.
of the stories that
Right.
she hears. So,
Treating
it
treating with SSRIs
correct.
instead of with sex hormones. You and I have spoken about that several times, and that is just laziness and duplicity on the part of low-level medical practitioners. Is all it is. I can't tell you how many guys that I know that have been handed a Prozac prescription instead of a testosterone prescription. And it's just bizarre to me that this still goes on. And I guess it's comforting to know that it happens to girls too, huh?